Hey, Lou here from Kayaking Connecticut with Lou. We're taking a break from kayaking today and hiking at Old Furnace State Park. We're going from Old Furnace State Park up to the top of Ross's Cliffs and back, and we're going to give you a little sneak peek of what that would be like. I came to Old Furnace a lot as a kid. We came here with the rec department, and also my grandmother's property adjoins the state park. I'm at the trailhead of the trail going up to the cliffs, and I'm looking back towards the parking area. To my left there's a little stone cover. That used to be a hand water pump. And over to my right, up on the hill there, you'll see a cement slab. That used to be a really big, dark-colored rustic gazebo back when I was a kid. Down here is where the trail begins. And over here, there used to be a little pond that we used to swim in as a kid. The park got its name Old Furnace because there used to be an old blast furnace here way back in the 1800s. They forged iron ore. It was closed down early to mid 1800s, I believe, and there was a grist mill or something after that. But I believe that was off to the right over here, but I'm not really sure. Don't quote me on that. That's what I was told when I was a kid. Follow this trail and follow the blue markers all the way up to the cliffs. When you get up to the cliffs, you can go farther, or you can turn around and come back. You can follow the blue trail back, or when you're coming back, you can follow the brown trail and come down around the lower, smaller pond that's below the cliffs and cut across that way. If you want more information about hiking this trail, go to our website, kayakingconnecticutwithlou.com. Thank you for watching.